Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the global satellite industry. I'm Richard Hooper. Signalhorn has become the newest member of ESRT, the European Security Roundtable. The ESRT is a leading forum for the crucial debate on current and future direction of European security and defence policy. Membership is comprised of representatives from a range of EU institutions, national governments, business, academia and the research sector. Robert Kubernes, Signalhorn's President and CEO, told SatTV that as a neutral platform between the EU institutions, NATO and other relevant parties for discussions on European security and defence issues, the ESRT will allow Signalhorn to have a voice on matters involving secure communications with which it is well acquainted. We look forward to engaging with the ESRT on a wide variety of issues, including the role of satellite communications enterprises in critical security and defence infrastructure issues. Inmarsat has announced that its gold service provider IEC Telecom Group has been appointed as the latest Global Express value-added reseller. IEC Telecom Group, a multi-regional fixed and mobile satellite services provider with a presence in Western and Northern Europe, the Middle East and North Africa, Sub-Saharan Africa and the Central and Southeast Asia, will specifically focus on opportunities for Inmarsat's GX high-throughput satellite services in the energy, media and NGO sectors. Surrey Satellite Technology and the Surrey Space Centre are celebrating a remarkable 30 years of in-orbit operations from one of its earliest satellites, SatTV, which was launched on a Delta rocket on the 1st of March 1984 from the Vandenberg Air Force Base in the US. SatTV, the second satellite in a long history of 41 missions launched by SSTL to date, has always held a special significance and has remained a constant in the company's evolution from university spin-off to world-leading small satellite manufacturer. Today, SatTV still transmits its VHF telemetry on a regular 11-day cycle, and the on-board real-time clock still tells the time, although running somewhat late. The satellite's batteries are exhausted after some 160,000 charge cycles, and transmissions are now detectable only when it is in sunlight. But the telemetry continues to be tracked by amateur radio satellite enthusiasts worldwide, using the predictable transmissions to help calibrate their equipment. Now here is Tricia with news of change at Sea Launch.
Thanks, Richard. Yes, Sea Launch AG has announced the resignation of its president, Kel Carlson, effective February the 28th, 2014, to pursue other opportunities outside space industry. After his departure, the company's senior executive team will carry out Mr. Carlson's former duties and responsibilities. Kel Carlson told SatTV, "I'm appreciative of the opportunities that I've been given while at Sea Launch and will forever be grateful for my time here. Through the growing participation of RSC Energia, I believe the evolution of the company going forward will allow it to continue to innovate and create value for world satellite operator community. I'm very proud to have been able to represent Sea Launch for the past 14 years, and I'm looking forward to working in a new industry with a new set of challenges and opportunities."
Thanks, Tricia. Crystal Solutions, a leading provider of network management and intelligent control solutions, has announced the launch of its carrier ID detection system at Satellite 2014. The Crystal Solutions CID detection system enables uplinkers to verify they have the correct ID allocated to their carrier. It will also interface with the new CID database currently being built, which will be managed by the Space Data Association. This system can also enable satellite operators and satellite access centres to automatically extract detected IDs and populate the SDA database. And finally, Emily has news of a new product from ETL Systems.
Yes, Richard. ETL Systems has launched a new range of RF over fibre equipment called the Stingray series. The first of this range is the high-density 1U rack mountable chassis, housing 16 hot swap transmit and receive RF over fibre modules, and is designed to be used for short distant links between satellite dishes and the teleport. The Stingray is the first to introduce hot swap power supply units in a 1U RF over fibre chassis and also features local as well as remote control. With its hot swap fibre modules, it can be part populated and helps the teleport engineers to design fibre links within budget. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.